Good morning. Ayan.
You guys better ligo soon and everything.
Yeah. Last day na namin dito.
Stoning.
So don't come. Careful.
Uh-oh.
Alright, alright. So this one, Gopika has to go up. She's here. This one has to do that. Okay? Have your head.
Fox, it's okay.
Uh-oh. 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 Where's Yuna? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's Yuna? Where is Yuna? Huh? Where? Where are we going? Oh, we go find. Where are you, Yuna? We're coming. Ah! We're coming to get you. We're coming to get you, Yuna. 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 Oh, come. Yuna. We're coming to get you, Yuna. Here, Yuna. Coming. Where are you? Oop.
Peekaboo!
Ah!
Peekaboo!
Uh-oh. 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 Pack up na kami today. Aalis na kami ngayon ng apartment. And then pupunta lang kami sa Nara. Where? Then after that, diretso na kami sa Osaka. Papunta na kami sa Osaka. Ay, hindi pa pala. Pupunta pa pala kami sa Nara. Baby, matumba ka.
Ika. Where are you going? Pass me the other bag. It's okay, Jen. It's okay. Yeah.
The leaf turning.
Yeah. Very nice. Wow. Eh?
Wait now, man.
You can do this. You can do this.
Oh, that's
This is like the Japanese cook the rice in the mushroom and stuff, right?
that to come this side. Not much. That side.
When it's very hot now.
Uh-huh.
See all the wilderness behind there? All this wilderness behind all the way. They
Babalik
just,
sila
yeah, they just go down there. Pull themselves off.
Galing. Gusto ko sanang gawing short and simple itong mga videos na ini-edit ko. Kaya lang, tuwing nakikita kong pinapanood ni Yuna itong mga video namin, kahit saan kami pumunta, nare-realize ko na hindi ko pala dapat putulin or paikliin yung video. Gusto ko na makita niya at mapanood niya yung mga pangyayari, yung kabuuang pangyayari dun sa lugar na pinupuntahan namin. Kaya ako sa iba, medyo boring itong video na ina-upload ko, okay lang. Ang mahalaga, si Yuna. Nilawayan ka. Nakakatuwa dito sa lugar na to kasi talagang napapaligiran ka ng mga deer at ang babait talaga nila, nanghihingi sila ng pagkain. Tapos nagti-thank you din sila pag binigyan mo sila ng pagkain. At yung pagkain nila ay hindi naman po pwedeng kung ano-ano lang na katulad na ng sapang tao. Meron talagang biskwit na nabibili para sa kanila. Ayan, katulad po nung nasa likod, dyan po pwedeng bumili. And then pagka halimbawa nakabili ka na, itago mo ka agad yun dahil alam nila kapag ka may pagkain ka, tapos dudumugin ka nila. Para mga tao din, kung saan may ayuda, talagang dumog. So ayan, nakakatuwa naman dahil para silang mga pusang naglalambing, nanghihingi ng pagkain. Ay, naku, sa dami nila, gusto ko na lang gusto kong bumili ng maraming biskwit para ipakain sa kanila. Oo. Ang ganda. Sanay na sanay sila sa mga tao. Kiss ka niya sa mukha, Yuna. Halika na, baby. Come. There's more. De, baby, mas marami, oh.
The kid only, you know.
Halika na, baby. Follow them na. Go, follow them. Kinagat ka. Yan. Doon.
Dapat may mga deer.
Nakada doon. Nakit na doon.
Nakapila na kayo?
Ang daming Filipino dito, no? Naririnig sa background. Mga nag-uusap Tagalog. Huwag yan masyado. Nakakatakot yan. Baka suwagin ka. Go up, up. Follow, daddy. Go, go, go up. Go up.
Safe zone. You know, hide in your pocket. Hide,
Yeah, hide. Don't
Hide,
hide
hide.
all first.
I think daddy hold better. Safer. Because this one they'll just grab and just pull.
Can,
Yeah. I will pull out one by one only.
aha.
Pwede pamigay sa akin.
Hide
Huh?
in your jacket.
Yan, nakakatuwa naman sila. Gusto ko silang pakainin lahat.
This Abby's jacket. B, where are you?
Yeah, him here.
Hide this in your jacket. Your jacket sticker. Don't you hide down here, they can smell and sting you.
Wait. I scared they smell me.
Ah, like that.
Ooh, I like the sun. Woohoo.
Ah, yeah, one more. This one.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pipicturean kita, baby. Huwag mo muna ipakain, ha? Oh, galing ah. Ay, isubo mo. Ala, sinusuwag ako. Isubo mo. Yan, huwag mo itapon. Wala, sinusuwag ka, yari ka. You wanna try yun na? Ito. Itong old.
Thank you.
Baw muna, baw.
Ganito?
Oh, this one's so nice, B.
Ha?
This one.
No, don't give everything! You must share, split.
B,
Ah, this one?
pass me one more. Come.
Oh.
Stand on the open.
Ito, bigyan to. Binigyan mo to?
Yeah. Ay, no, hindi pa.
Bigyan mo yun. Matanda na eh. Huwag mo ibigay lahat. I-split mo.
You know, like that. See, he said, keep saying thank you.
Oo.
This one
Oh,
buy it.
so
Oh,
nice.
say thank you. Or this one say thank you.
Ayun o, the old one. Lapitan mo yung old one. Baby, come.
You
Yun na.
wanna give? I record you.
Sige.
You recording?
Kaya it's on.
Oh.
Nag-bow na oh. Nakita mo na. Wait lang naman. Okay, wait lang. Ba't natin naman?
I mean, he's saying thank you, na.
Yeah, no, she want to.
You blocking the video. B, this one kawawa. This one is the most friendliest one. He keeps saying thank you.
Kanina ka pa.
Okay, shall we go further down?
Let's go.
Mm.
Bye-bye. Eh, nagbaw.
Oh, this one
Oh.
give. Bow. Bow means give.
Wait lang.
Pwede ako?
Oo.
Iputol ko.
Bring to half first, baby.
Maliit ha.
Yeah, they bow already.
Oh.
It's okay when you drop, it's okay.
Ayun, why you grab everything? Dito, the baby. Yeah.
Never mind, it's okay. Let's go.
Come.
Alright,
Oh.
come in. Come on now.
Wala.
Fine na.
Okay na. Okay, let's go na. Wala, ikaw na yun na. Bye-bye. Oh no, they're following.
Tululaway.
Oh,
If I don't need give, Papa to follow.
okay. Oh no, they're following us. Oh no.
They will walk away. They got certain distance, they cannot go. Na. They are in a pack kasi.
Mami, pwede ko bigyan?
Mamaya na, wag yan. Nabigyan na sila.
Tada!
Oh!
Bow?
Hey, look at your shoes below.
Bow.
Wala pa.
Wala. Minum satu lah. Sikit. Come.
Halika na.
Go. Your bed lah. Don't touch the backside.
Yan. Iuwi mo na daw siya, baby. No more.
No more.
Halika na. Amoy dear ka na. Hiding ah. Ah. Ito baby, come. Ano naman, bye-bye. Sorry na. This one so much complain. yan. All the...
Oh. Tinggal tu.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
You know it's okay she fall down here, but the problem is if fall the umpa there's a big
Oh yeah, walk. Okay, walk.
because the soft the ground. Anybody want to wash hand or anything? Can wash hand down there.
Doon. Let's go wash, baby.
Wash hand first, baby.
Oh, sorry. No more. Tara na. Let's go.
Don't that's why irritated. That's why bite you.
Come yun na.
Don't touch already, irritated already. Nak kagat dia.
Ha?
Nak kagat ni nanti.
Sa kamay?
Kasi alam mo si people down here. Once they go in, all the umpa on the street, they just carry on.
Oh, keep bowing. Wala na, baby. Ubus na. Ayun, kay baby. Wala na akong pambigay, baby.
Coffee? Okay, let's follow maybe.
Oh, sorry.
Ang cute ng mga deer dito.
Cute
First
na.
time ko nang makakita ng deer.
Yeah, they are very nice.
Dami duhan ko.
Huwag kang maiwa, wala ka namang ibibigay.
Bow lang pag nag-bow siya. Mami, saan nakuha yung to?
Alin?
Pagkain.
Binibili, ayun eh.
Yung
You wanna go up there? You wanna go up there? Go. Let's have coffee.
Should we close the door?
No, I don't know. toilet. Wow. So nice and cozy here. Well, ganda-ganda naman dito. Thank you.
Mommy's one, this one.
Kailangan ko ng sugar. Hatiin mo ah. Meron na. Ito. Isa. Bawers. Ah.
Straight up just got ignored by you.
Sorry.
Then when I turn you already up.
Sorry. Oh.
I don't know where mommy's going to come out from. Nah.
Yes.
I have no idea where mommy's going to come out from. Someone behind there.
Yeah.
Just hopefully mama don't get confused, came out then get fed up. Oh, why is it hooking all this thing? Mika,
Bring the deer, baby. Doon, over there. Para walang pupo. Doon sa walang pupo.
One hand touch the head only if you want touch. One hand. Okay, enough, baby. Don't.
Baby. Nakatitin ako yung mga deer, baby. Oops, saan kaya may pagkain? Oops, saan kaya? Sino kaya lalapitan ko?
Tada!
I don't know. Ato.
5 seconds.
Ano yun?
Oh yeah. Everyone to know what food is there on the TV. The orange color one.
Sabi, ba't nasandan ko na?
Basta baby.
Naligo yan, nag-swimming.
Hi.
Yay!
Yes.
This is a problem.
Okay, bye.
Oh!
These are such good
Pwede
ears.
ba bigay?
Mamaya, baby. Pipicture mo na. Yun na, Cam. Peace! High five! Ito na naman si Madam, nagpapahilo na naman sa mga nanonood. Gaya-gaya kasi yan eh, doon sa yung batang videographer sa Boracay. Ayan, doon ko lang yung ginaya. Cover! Ang ganda nung kuha niya, bakit yung sa akin hindi ako natutuwa? Ayun na! Yee! Wala ka sa camera, lumapit ka. Yee! Ayun, nagloloko na naman yung microphone audio nitong aking camera. Nako, trip ni Madam, no? Yung magpaikot-ikot, yung tipong nahihilo ka na.
Mami! 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 Mami!
Tama.
Wow, holding your hand is not helping me, you know. Warm your hand down first. Wow, clever, very smart. Easy good. Now here got all the wild deers also, babe. Oh, yun na, give food na.
Yan, lalapit yan, ganunin mo.
Put your hand out. Put your hand out, yun na.
Doon sa harap, ito saan ka kita? Come. Oh, nagbaon. Come. Come. The one na, baby, busog. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oo.
Some more wild than the one outside.
Oo, nagte-thank you talaga sila, oh. Kakatuwa talaga. Mabuti na lang hindi tayo dito nakatira. Kung hindi, baka yung lahat ng kinikita ko, ipapakain ko na lang dito sa mga deer. Wala na, hindi na ako makakabili ng yarns. Dito na lang lagi, biskwit na lang lagi bibilhin ko, papakain ko sa kanila.
Ano, sinundan tayo.
Lalagot, magkocross sila ng road. Oh, we have a follower. We have a follower.
Siga?
We have a follower. Yeah.
Ubus na?
Meron.
Remember, baby, if you go any other country, not like that, only down here, okay? Other country don't try to do this to any deer. One, they will run. Two, they will start attacking you.
Go.
So you want the sauce?
Nadaanan nga pala namin dito yung popular na pagawaan ng mochi. Ayan. Yung makikita niyo yung ginagawa, yung parang kinakarate ganyan. Hindi ko kasi alam. Yung ano ba yun? Nakatani do mochi. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagkakasabi ko. So, ganito yan siya. Binubugbog-bugbog. Yun yung nagpapasarap doon sa mochi.
Can you see them pounding the rice?
Hindi namin siya makuhaan ng maayos kasi marami ng tao ang nandun sa unahan. So, ito yung asawa ko na yung nag-video kasi mataas siya, matangkad siya eh. So, ayan, hanggang dyan lang yung kinaya ng aming video.
You know who already? You can hold, you not spread. Why not?
Show me. Wait.
No, it's okay. I can use my hand. Don't worry. Then that one you look at it. It's okay. I can use hand. Me and Abby can use hand. Don't worry. Abby.
Thank you.
Can see her. Don't worry. 10 minutes to record. Because the person in front block this thing also. Anybody need something? Maybe goldfish.
Puro pagkain. Sarap. Puro pagkain. Sarap. Ano yan? Itlog?
Oh, it's wood.
Egg.
Ah, wood.
What's the purpose? Yeah. Split.
Mm-mm. See?
Maybe.
Kukataw ka ni May.
Tawag Basha.
Meron na tayo. Akin naman na yung sword mo, baby. Wag na dyan, baby. Maganda ito, oh. Mga flower. Kasi wala niya sa Philippines. That's, open.
Ito.
O, yan na. Okay. Bro, bigay mo kay Lame.
Tawag kami, me.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Sa wakas, makakakain na rin kami. Ang tagal namin naghintay para magkaroon ng bakante dito sa restaurant na ito. Sobrang daming kumakain. At hindi na naman ako nakapag-video ng aming mga kinain. Siguro nag-picture lang siguro ako. Tapos eto na nga, Gora Bells na kami. Oras na para ibalik na namin itong car dun sa rental company. Tapos pupunta na kami sa train station. Magti-train na kami, of course. Papunta sa Osaka. Hinihintay lang namin matapos ni Kuya yung dapat niyang isettle sa loob. So dito lang muna kami waiting sa labas ng opisina. Habang naghihintay kami, eto naman si Yuna, laro-laro muna. Inip na yarn. Ang dami mo pang energy Yuna Gina. Sige lang, maglaro ka lang muna, okay? Para naman malibang din ako.
Hindi na yung ginagamit eh. Look.
Kaya ito yung moment na pagod na kami. As in, ang dami namin nilakad dito, ang dami naming dala. Yung asawa ko pagod na yan, tsaka ang sakit na ng paa kasi ang dami din niyang bitbit. At eto, after ilang minutong biyahe sa train, dediretso naman kami sa onsen. Ayan, onsen. Hot spring ito. So, naka-schedule. Everything is scheduled kasi sa trip namin na ito. So, nakaano na yon talagang may mga plano na. Kaya kahit pagod na kami is kailangan namin puntahan. Kasi ano na yun may mga reservation. So, ayun, kahit pagod, okay lang. Experience din naman ito.
Shoe locker down here.
Let's go.
Yuna, put your shoes. Daddy, keep your key, okay, baby? Take out your scan. I think we need the bag, you know.
Yuna! Oh, can karaoke? Wala.
Lock. Okay. Lock. Lock the door.
Yeah, all the
Where's our own seat? Oh, is it?
where there. Take out there. No box.
Take out there.
Well,
Pictorial is too enough to do pictorial. Me do pictorial like Yakuza.
Sa dami ng pagod namin, pagdating namin dito sa lugar na to, grabe, nakakawala ng pagod. Kaya lang, konting oras lang kami dito So, ngayon, parang babalik din agad yung pagod. Baby, gusto mo dito ka? Ang lamig. Here, Tada! No, don't go there. It's too cold. Diyan, buksan mo. Yeah?
Must start fast.
Where is it? There.
No, that's toilet. Your own sink is here.
Dito? So cold.
The deep is hot water.
The dip? Okay. Okay.
You put your hand.
Is it hot?
Yes, it is.
Sure. Ooh, nilagang UG. Oh, hindi baby. I know.
Ako lang pwede dito
Nilagang UG. Bili na kayo ng nilagang UG. Kita ba yung usok? Grabe. Init. As in. Grabe. Sobrang init. Para kang nasa kawa na niluluto. As in. Pinadagdagan ko na lang ng malamig na tubig yun Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi ko kayang ilubog yung katawan ko. Sobrang init. So, silent lang kami dito kasi papunta na kami sa hotel.
Wow, madam, anak mayaman. Ay, hindi pala ako ng mayaman. Hindi pala anak ng mayaman.
Settle
Ako ng
ready?
mayaman. Yeah, I'm...
Go down. You can run. Huwag mong gayahin sinisuko. Joke. You can run. Joke. Feel na feel. Ng apo ng mayaman. Joke.
The only one doing on seat. We can teach Nella say dapat.
Oo nga Yeah, it's too late. Sorry. First time
May nakita ako.
Where are you going?
Where is it? Sorry. Lost already. Wow.
Sinabi ko na
Harap sa akin. Harap sa akin. Okay, let's go. Go. So natapos na kami doon, sasakay ulit kami ng train papunta naman sa aming hotel. Come na. Lamig, mali tayo ng daan. Ayun yung hotel kung saan nga pala kami mag-i-stay. Habang nag-check-in pa yung papa ni Yuji, punta muna kami ng
Okay,
7-Eleven.
one more rice just in case you still want.
Sobrang late na, kaya dito na kami sa 7-Eleven. Yeah, I saw it kanina.
Oh, they're just here. Yeah. Opposite. 716, right? Yeah, lah.
722 tayo. Ako sa kanila
Go in na,
lang.
baby, later. Magbabalik naman sa'yo. Go in.
Maybe. Yeah, let's repack. We can eat also. Let's eat ready for what? Let Daddy settle first. Daddy and mommy.
Wow, palabas pala. Eh,
Go back.
asan ang ilaw dito? Sablay. Take 2 tayo, take 2. Wow. Wow. Bathtub pa din. Bathtub pa din. So, iinit muna namin yung pagkain namin sa... Nakalimutan ko na ako sa 5th floor. Kasi late ko na kasi nilagyan ng voice over to it. So, ayan. No need.
You want not? We get ice for our drinks.
No need na, malamig na yun. Pwede rin mag-laundry dito.
500 watts. How many watts is this? 500 watts. 50 seconds.
10:30 na. Pagod na pagod kami, tsaka gutom na gutom. Galing kami ng Kyoto, Nara. Galing kami ng Nara, bumalik kami sa Kyoto, tapos pumunta kami ng Osaka, tapos pumunta kami ng Onsen. Tapos nandito na kami sa hotel. Finally. Yay! Kakain na kami. Yay!
This is
Ang galing ng 7-Eleven dito. Ang dami mong pagpipili ang pagkain. Dito na kami titira sa Japan. May tatrabaho ako, Japayuki. Charot. Yung asawa ko magtatrabaho, hosto. Si Yuna naman, gusto daw niya maging wall. Gusto daw maging wall dito kasi maganda daw ang wall dito sa Japan.
where you now want to sit.
Diyan ka na.
Remember I say Fanta? Then you say walang Fanta sa Pinas. Anong Fanta?
Meron ba?
Wala, walang Fanta sa Pinas. Royal pala sa Pinas.
Oo nga, wala.
Para magkaparehas.
Food trip.
No. Hmm? Maybe.
Kunyari may upuan ako dito.
Kaya labit niya.
Kunyari ah. Mga PG. At dito na nagtatapos ang napakahabang adventure namin sa araw na ito. Good night!